Hi guys, welcome to Twisted Sora TV, yay! So I bought a new IKEA Kallax shelf and tonight I'm finally gonna assemble it, and not just that, I decided to make it a little challenge since I've got a little experience with IKEA furniture and also these shelves in particular. I'm gonna stop the time it takes me to assemble it. My goal is 5 minutes. Too ambitious maybe, we'll say. Okay, I have everything prepared now, let's get started! Bam! Okay, our final time is 7 minutes 45:39. We didn't make the 5 minutes limit, unfortunately, but I still think this was a really good time. The final part of the screws is the worst. You really need like full strength, full power for like the last few millimeters. And for speedrunning records, you also need luck that the screws go in perfectly at the beginning when you start screwing in each one, that they fit into the board perfectly from the beginning. But anyways, that was so much fun though. I'm now gonna put the shelf into position, of course, and fill it up with stuff. That's what it's there for. Okay, hope you enjoyed it a little, and as always, if you want, leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel, and yeah. I'm planning to get a few more of those shelves still, so I'm almost sure we'll have a chance to break that record very, very soon. And of course now we have a reference time. So yeah, that's it from me. Thanks a lot for watching. Love you guys. Bye bye. See ya.